Hi, today I'm gonna yeah. Another way, using the major scale to practice out your major, your chords, basically. To learn your chords. If you want to keep it a bulk again, you can go. So, so. So let's keep it up like a. So you can even do major seventh. Again, let's try it again. So you've got this. Okay, again, let's try it one more time. Again. This is for the diminished. Now, if you want to do nicer movement, is going up and then if you want to do it again, you can do it like drop two. Ooh, that is nice. Oh. Ooh, you see that movement again? Again. 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Then you turn the 4 to 7. 7, 3, 7. Then you can even make this to be 7. So just this is a nice movement, right? You get 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 7, 3, 6, 2. I'm trying to see how to break. So we start again. So to be. or I do this. So, yeah. So when it comes here, 2 5 2 5 2 5. So 2 5 2 5 2. Again, 7 3 6 2 6. 2 2 5 2 2 5 1. That's a lot, right? Again. So da 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 da. So da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da. Again. Da 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 da. And we've got this. This should be like. Yeah. So this chord. So the B flat major 7, E flat major 7. Ooh, yeah. Repeating the same pattern. Then that's the movement. So starting from B, ending on this, so it's slowly. Woo! Let's add a spice to it. Let's say when it goes to 2 5 1 6 2 5 that's like I'm just teaching you that you can flow in and out of a key. You shouldn't be limited. Your 2 5s ones, you can use it to do your so you should be able to flow in and out of a key. Let's do that movement again. So 7 3 6. Where were we? Then ooh. So keep practicing, and let me see what you come up with. So comment below if you're loving this, and also like show me which other variation do you want us to do, circle of fourths or circle of fifths, which is like your minus 2 5 1s or major 2 5 1. So you've got, and then you've got this